watching, nice to meet you. Thank you so much for having us here in Melbourne. It's absolutely incredible in this place. We love coming to Australia. It is easily, by far, one of our favourite places to go in the world. And that is because you have made it that way. You guys are absolutely incredible every time you come down, so thank you so much. We can see you at the back of the room. We can see you over this side of the room. We can see you over this side of the room.
He's gonna sneeze! He's gonna sneeze!
Hey! Hey! And we can see you on the floor. Hey!
Mate, honestly, there's nothing worse than when you can't sneeze. It must be devastating.
I know, I feel vulnerable.
I think we should have the doctor tell you could sneeze.
I feel vulnerable. I'm going to hand you over to a very good friend of mine for the next song. Everybody from Bradford, England, Mr. Zane Malik! Melbourne, make some noise! Yes!
Okay, so first of all, on behalf of myself and the boys, we would like to say a massive, massive thank you to each and every single one of you guys for being the best fans in the world. And basically all we need you to do tonight is carry on being the best fans in the world. So get up out your seats, sing along, join in, and the next song's one thing.